4? Oo nga. Paano ba?
Puno ng gulay at egg. Mango. Tart with mango. Tapos, chocolates and then
That is very croissant. Or Danish.
I'm gonna try this one. Wala ka. Kamay-kamay lang, no?
Just rip it.
Sarap. Sarap nito. Hindi ko ma-describe ang sarap.
Affordable lang din
This one is my, this one is one of my favorite.
I thought it's gonna be way more.
Ayan. I-try naman natin tong overload.
A little bit.
Egg tart, overload ng mango and icing. Tapos meron siyang beans, coffee bean. Galing. So, try natin.
Kaya gusto mo?
Sarap. Sarap. Ito, sinang kaumay. Yung mango icing saka egg tart ang sarap. Kung pinagsama mo siya. Sarap.
Tapos yata yung curd my tawag mo.
Chocolate. Chocolate. Para siyang KitKat. Yan o. Icing tapos chocolate bar. Try natin. Lasa.
Now they make this one, it's like croissant. It's like a croissant, like the one you had, but they squish it. What is the name of
So good.
Okay.
10 over 10. Sa kanilang tatlo, ang pinakamasarap ito. Ito. 50 over 10. 100 over 10. Basta 1,000 over 10. Basta ito yung favorite ko. Masarap siya talaga.